Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete the chat GPT conversation history. First of all, you can open the chat GPT. I can already open. Now you can tap on the two lines at the top left corner of the screen. And after tapping on this, you can just simply tap on the name that is bottom left corner of the screen, and here you can see the option in the account section that is data controls. Tap on it, and after this you can now tap on delete all chats, and it is a way you can delete all conversation on chat GPT if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.